Hello. Good morning and welcome back to the channel. My name is Viggy and I make live videos, mostly of Yiddish. If I'm to an antige video, please consider liking, sharing and subscribing self me and the channel are those tremendously, so thank you for that. And ook dat je wist dat zelf van de channel kan je weer naar channel member by hitting the join button. Ze gaat een lange, riesige week. Eine van de wegen van dat zelf van de channel is dat ik koop staan zaken op Amazon en you don't mind. Ze geven maar klik de link, hoe ze gaan posten jetzt op de chat. En ik ga dat open in de description van de video. Basically, das ist kaufen the item. But at the kaufst dann Sachen auf Amazon und die klickst das the next 24 hours. Da kann ich commission. Es kostet die gar nicht. Es geht nicht billiger, es geht nicht teurer. You just simply helping out. Alright? Oh, het van me gaat anyway, darf ich sagen, absolutely, positively, 100%ly. Not financial advice. So please be careful, the market te wegnemen alles wat die hast. Nicht gelijk wie ze die heißt. So, just be careful. This is nicht kein trading school or anything. Kijk eens hoe wie een kind in een adult speelt zich erin. Alright. Met Lego. Get it. Good morning. Hello and welcome. Wieso is dan nacht? Wieso is dan free? Zilber, $66. So gehit 66 nachten. Man, in de free. So gebrochen de 64 mark. Feel wie the next stop is $98. Oibe continues on this trend. Bitcoin 87. Rugi came to 85, the low. Nechten op een retreat. En gegaan ik met de rode toog. But Tapstep, de website die ik trade af, gehad issues, zoals gecanceld om toog. Zo gegaan ik met de wash. Para. Vamos ver se do. Tesla 489 hat es vermacht. Es ist 487 jetzt. Toen ik me echt zie $494, almost $500. $6 weg van $500. Wow. Das hat ihm gemacht für Elon Musk, hat ihm es gemacht. Der erste Mensch so gehit $600 billion net worth. And supposedly SpaceX geht werden IPO'd in 2026. Wie heißt das? Polymarket. Oh, hold on. Let me see financials. Elon Musk a trillionaire by 27. Put takes to the kabir geredde fin en sie gewähnt du bei 21, 26%. Sie halt jetzt bei 43%. Not financial advice, but ich will genommen an dem Tradle. $1 trillion in Zimbabwean dollars already done. Good. Aren't we all a trillionaire in Zimbabwe? We can't hand betten auf Alleman. Crazy. Tech, culture. Will there be a ceasefire in 2025? $100 get er $2,700. Wow. Man, ob sie geschehnt. So hypothetically, die bist in the Trump administration, oder die hast euren, und sie weiß, dass du am Meeting. The next 5 Tage, 10 Tage. 10.000 ist $240.000. Hantet zijn a short like Yankee tea. Ich meine a short bis 10 als eigen. Good morning Yankee, how are you? Yankee tea. Wusste die Sache, als sie do die Rebbes, was nehmen like a violin as I spielen, but es kommt daraus chill noise. Why don't they practice? I'm too good. Nice. Somebody they say hey Yankee. Chaneke is läuft durch, Hebra. Und man geht nicht liegen, kein Breaks auf es. It's gonna be gone. Das ist die Sache mit den Sachen. Heute meint man, ne, sie tut Zeit bis Chaneke, noch den Bums ist Chaneke, noch den Bums oben. Oh yeah, come on. Einer von den Wegen, wie soll man kennen Russlo und Chaneke, ist nehmen deep breath and be conscious about it, you know? $79, $10 up is the next target price. Yabba bada be die. Did it I like did it down. Esther, unsere getreue Schwester. How you doing? Good morning. We're going to the doctor today. Good morning. Are you going to the doctor today? I like the black. The black boots? Ah. Echo boots. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, I am going to the doctor today. That's why it's going to be a short live. Ten o'clock is going. The live is going only till 10. And I need to get ready. And it's funny that today is the first day that I feel like 99% better. I mean, back to normal, so. But still going. But thank you for caring. Thank you for asking. Those boots I got from a friend of mine. He bought boots. I'm a 45 and he's a 46 size. But this particular boot runs one size. If you're a 45, you have to buy a 46. It runs one size smaller. So he bought it and he was meant to give it back, send it back, but he got busy. And then a few weeks later, I was talking about boots. He's like, listen, I have a brand new pair of boots if you want it. So I took it. And funny enough, I went to Chagavogdem it, and it wasn't good for my foot. But I didn't care. Like, it was, how do you call it? Visually, from the taranga kratzt in the back from the feet. But I kept marching on. After a few days, I left it home. I didn't touch it. And it's about the Schnee. I needed to go out for a second. So I was like, you know what? Let me take these shoes. It doesn't bother me if it gets wet. And I put them on and they're like very comfortable. So score, baby, score. You know what I mean? But Esther, how you feeling? How you feeling this morning? I feel okay today, thank you. Nice. That's good. Moish 299. Good morning, hello and welcome. Bis Naidu Moishi. I don't remember seeing you. In that case, welcome. And Esther, nice that you're feeling okay today. Did-it-dum. Did-it-dum, bum, 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 ba-da-ba-da-bum, ba-da-dum.
From 770, we marching out unto victory.
Yankee zoekt the apple a day, that is good, yes. Who says tomorrow, Golas? Why not today? Gang 98. Good morning. How you doing? Ba-da-ba-da-ba. How was your Hanukkah, Gang 98? Het is funny te trachten wie ze de veld wel geween. De Lubavitch. Lubavitch. Like the impact they have. Happy Hanukkah all. Happy Hanukkah for you as well. What platform is this? Fin wusste letzte Film. Top step. In this is Trading View. Trading View habe ich den free account. Ich halte es dann mit mit ein paar Sachen. Nothing. Nice, Yankee. That's sweet. Hoffe, die sagst thank you. Thank you mit the hearts. Thank you mit the hearts. It's the sweet things. It's the small things, you know? It's Matas, so thanks to Matas. Matas is amazing. When Matas only is so amazing, what the shot can have in the fact. But because Matas is so amazing, you know what I mean? It's much better apple. Nice. Zoeks, de wap got the apple in the honey, huh? You guys are a sweet, sweet couple, huh? Yankee, de lijst nog Jana Bok. De heerst nog Jose Jana Bok. Moish. Moish, 299, thank you so much for the super chat. I appreciate you. Thank you. Zoek me de score vinden.
Depth of our heart. Thank you.
How was this? Is it Sazami voice? I don't know. Those are the moich. Also wie in the place. Wenn wir wohl sagen, eine Schummer oder der Chef redet, machen sie double moish, moish. Also.
Avrumoishe. Kikarof.
Azami style. Bow. Did-it-la-la, did-it-la-la. You don't have time for that, all right? You know, they say you can take a horse to the Wasser, but you can't make him drink, you know. Just a good suggestion, that's all. So there'll be a Spotify reminder. So wie der vier Koiden Lamaka type of Zach. That I'm saying. Moga charge the Bandai shooter, the massacre in the beach, the Bandai Beach shooter. 59 offenses, including 15 counts of murder. Darf im Hargan und slowly, I would say. Isn't that sweet, Esther, huh? He's got a sweet wife. Left to a cold case. Colombia authorities detained 17 children and 9 adults for the fundamentalist Jewish group over child welfare concerns. They were flown to New York for investigation. Yep. Afghanistan hunger crisis. Ob sie geht schlecht auf Atog? Here they nice. Over 70 million people face crisis level of hunger this winter, according to UN warning. 17 million Menschen. Just to see how lucky we are. Seeing a flash flood in Morocco, 37 dead. Oh, right. School bus incident in Colombia claimed 17 lives. Diddy-da, diddy-da. I'll be back in a minute. All right, we're back. Ba, ba, ba. Ba, 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 ba. Alles geht. Vrijdag Hanukkah, donderdag Hanukkah, Pizza. Yeah. I've had morning. How you doing? How's your Hanukkah? Alles geht? Ba, 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 ba. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, 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 ba. Walking over the milk with the white chocolate Hanukkah. Oi. That's the walking for 24 hours. Where are you trading on? Top step. The kicks all the way on the left side from the screen. Or it must then start top step. Trading is risky. The market hat alles weggenommen von dir. So. Das ist nicht kein Trading School. Das ist da mal Spielmacherin, you know? Which is zooming. Yes, yes. If you don't take a minute to appreciate the moment, it's gone. Get it in line. Get it in line. Und dann geht man einen Kick auf den Seiger und die ganze Licht ist umgezogen. You know what I mean? Und dann ist es over. Und dann ist es so ist dran. Okay, man geht... Das, so ist... So this is trading view or top step? So ich hab trading view wie ich trade. Und nach dem top step hab ich stamm offen, sie mithalten andere Sachen. Like Spy, the Silber, Gold. Gold is 4300. Silber. Gehen wir nach da. $66. Sent you a clip new yeshiva? Was it my idea? I'm sure, as I get ideas, it's my idea, okay? Well, sorry for the yawning. Warum licht? Good morning, good morning. Vrijdag Chanukah, you doing? Bam, 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 bam. Pfeffergarden is opening a new yeshiva. Nice. Which they will give courses in the afternoon. Nice. Coming off some hot Kvittlich wins. Nice. I get the win as I get the win, huh? Arumi, don't you win every year? Listen to that video. Nice. Okay, nicht yet. Hold on a second.
Milvadoi,
All right, let's go. Where am I going for the Powerball? We'll take that. We'll take that, Avrumi. When is it turning into a Viggy Live Panic event? Maybe Thursday night. We'll see. We'll see. How can miss that trade? Jetzt will ich es dann noch laufen. Did I just see a Fanti t-shirt? Fanti? It's a football, it's some champion. I don't know. I don't know football, so I can't really tell you. One of the situations. Yes, Thursday night. I don't like coming empty-handed. I believe. The Sache is, I don't know. Alles gets. I don't know how to bring it down. So, say. What is the biggest amount you made already in one day of trading? It's a schwere Kasche zu empfehlen. Because man arbeitet nicht, wenn man trade, arbeitet man nicht auf der Geld. Man arbeitet auf Consistency. Man arbeitet zu verstehen, der Vehicle. Ich bin noch in school. You know what I'm saying, Mosh? The real question is, wie lang bin ich gewesen consistent? With the buy chocolate milk is true. It's too much. It's too much, alles gut. Aber kommen wir ein Video eintug von einem, wie sucht dort, es ist Goose Knuckle von Tom's River, Goose Knuckle Donuts, and you can have what your neighbor can't afford. That was a funny WhatsApp status. Ich mache aber so kommen wir auf das Video. So vesufo, dabra vela yoke. Outside so dabra vela yoke. Ich arbeite auf consistency, and that's what we're working on. Nothing like that. Yes, exactly. Oder I get the custard, the amulige donuts. Farmig geworden, fancy. Ich fühle wie in 10 Euro, die mit dem Verkäufen Original Donuts, es sind plain Donuts für $59.99. Imagine Mr. Beast would make donuts. Then it would just be donuts that Mr. Beast is making. Like, Mr. Beast and Ishman God, you know? I know in the new generation, Mr. Beast is Azach, but Mr. Beast is... I just missed him by a couple of brain cells. I'm kidding. You mean to say before we became spoiled? Yes, alles gets. Before we neue ideas. Bin ich happy mit was man hat. That, yes. We became a Michigas Menschen haben es crazy stuff. Ich bin schon nicht happy. Ich bin schon nicht happy wie einmal. The donuts I'm making. I like this strammel, yeah. Nobody's interested in the donut. Yeah, I mean, this is a heart attack in a zach. This is a heart attack in them donut. Aber nun, man, vorhin sucht man da der Jackpot, the Powerball is 1.25 billion. 572 million is the cash value. Okay. Kann ich was machen? Exactly, yes, that. The old fashioned, the good donuts, was Bobby hat gemacht, you know? Share with Amber a donut? No. It's not healthy for a dog. It's not healthy for humans either. But yeah. 9:29, 1 minute to market open. Bitcoin 87, silver 65. How about look of silver? How about blick of silver? Hopefully it's silver. Just for my own personal gain. I look him at least see $55. Gerade will ich es bei 50. Ich should zurückmachen, der ganze Move. $9:30, market is open.
beating from the dream of Golus, ready to greet Moshiach King, girl is coming, swiftly to orders.
Ich denke, der mutige Piram, der mutige Chanukahs, it was about the family, wir sitzen zusammen. Hand is about the party planner and welche lights die hast, und welche balloons die hast. In our house, with my Polish friends, ooh, the sour cream? Get the kalte sour cream. Exactly. Handkinder gehen schon nicht noch Geld, weil sie, wie kann man nützen Geld? Kauf mir das auf Amazon, weißt du, ich mein? Gib ein Klick auf dem Phone, gib ein Kauf. Alle lieben werden tanzen. Der Rebbe ist gesund, der Rebbe ist gesund im Stab. So vielleicht muss man sagen mehr homie, die Sachen. And we gotta bring it back. We gotta bring it back. That would be nice, you know? Today it's all about our friends and the bank accounts and impressing everyone. Exactly. Machen de Chanukah Party in Oog fuhren sie mit Winter Vacation zu Florida. Damals bei verdammt älter Seite, verdammt Seite. Als soll gehen zusammen und suchen von mit Winter Vacation. Alles gives you slowly deletes the messages, huh? Like nobody's gonna see, but I do see. I'll keep an eye out on the messages. Devices have been recorded in the live, the messages. Just letting you know. I'm not on your case, I'm just saying. Yeah, bye bye, yeah, bye 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 bye. I'm reading the message very fast, openly and confidently. Get all of you. And you don't care. You don't care. Did the leads no do or did the leads the andere channels ook het? Culture by -4. -10. Simcha Hashem levadecha. We're over the siding game? Well, so what's with the deletions? What's with the deletions? It's a guy I just want to understand.
Hashem, Roi Meimo, Yemin Hashem, Oisocho Yil, Yemin Hashem, Roi Meimo, Yemin Hashem, Oisocho Yil, Hinirai, Narai, 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 Narai,
Because it's Allah's gifts. Okay, I'll take that. We're getting too involved in our trade, so me and busy. But Allah's gets to know. Oh, okay. I didn't. That's to give him hints. You know, you gotta give some hints. Otherwise, how would I know where to start guessing even? It doesn't bother you. When I mention titepas, let's break it down, Allah's guys. When someone does something, you want to understand why. Does it have to bother me? Does it have to bother that person to understand why? Normal, wenn einer misspellt etwas, kann man herangehen, für was, für wen, für wie. Bakohidesh chasi zicha lidoy zizla. Bakohidesh chasi zicha. Oh, schmooze on the schmooze. Oh, nice. Okay, so we're having a schmooze about it. Nice. Koides chazizi liroi lecho. Tiri-da-da-da wahiyam. Narrative is a Freudian slip. So wir behalten am Zeit, we're going to involved in our trade. I like it very much. I just saw it. Kickt on this. WhatsApp. Jeder lijkt eraan zijn garbage bij dat zweiten. Oh, nein. Garbage auch, but auch het Summis. Summi, your favorite mind attention. Nice. Digga, 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 ahai, ahai, ai, ai. I'm not thinking, I'm going. 10 o'clock is the cutoff from the live. But that's no, so if I know, so 10 o'clock is I'm cutting the live at 10 o'clock to be able to get ready and go. Big as the donut. Good. Oh, but thank you, alles good. Papa. Ba 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 ba. Bitcoin 87. Tesla 488. Sarovci 495. We could jump in $10 out of and $10 out of. Come on, $10. Kicking shows the best major movers in the market in general. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. La 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 la. Eliana Koloboruret Yato. Yato Ashim Khargamadecho Levadecho Eliana Koloboruret Pa 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 pa. As you say, you love the children singing. Now with the advent of YouTube, gaat me kind of mithelpen the growth, you know. Ah, zijn water door issues. Ay, 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 ay. Khalid did the Lubavitcher mix, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, top step is out. Top step is done. But it's gesplit. All right. One geworden 25. Ja, is er gehalten. 63% de hoogste. Nah. Nothing is really moving. All right, Kevin. Because the top step is doing nicht mit ins. So we're gonna call it a day. All right, Kevin. Thank you all for being here. We'll get my score for you down, we doen eine lange Zeit, eine kurze Zeit. Vielleicht haben wir so noch nur umgezogen, ein bisschen auf eine andere Tab. Ingemacht habe viele mit YouTube eine Tab, aber mich mein dir, thank you. We'll get my score for alle Likers, Sharers, Commenters, Subscribers, and especially Members. For den Dusan, for den Liken, for den Sharen, for den werden a Member. It really helps out the channel tremendously. And a special thanks will ich geben von euch, for den schicken a Super Chat. I really appreciate it. This is what keeps the channel going. You know, ich weiß, dass ich kijk wie ich trades, darks und statistics. Das ist alles play money. Das ist alles paper money. Meaning, ich bin noch in school, so it's not real, wie man sagt. Hopefully soon, but as of now, noch nicht. So, jeder Super Chat, jeder Like, jeder Share, jeder Comment does actually help. Jeder Subscriber, jeder Member. So, did you listen to it? Not yet, not yet. I have it open. I'm going to listen to it. But nicht yet. Jetzt einfach weggehen. Gotta take care of some stuff. Gotta get healthier, as they say. So thank you all. I really do appreciate it. Housekeeping. Handnacht het Jean kan live. Wel, Chaba Chanukah Messiba, which I need to attend to. It's not that I know, but the website that overgeht arbeiten, so we're gonna call it a day. What else? Wie zijn we in up to? Ja, so Handnachten is du kan live, weil ich habe Family Messiba. Morgen in the free, as of now, 8:45. And we'll see what I do Thursday night. Ich will machen a Chanukah live, I just don't have the idea. And ich will nicht so sein lame, so es ist a Stickelzach, you know. By the way, another way to help out the channel, if you don't mind, in die kauft an Sachen auf Amazon. Ga ich posten a link von Amazon, das ist kaufen the item, die klickst das, the next 24 hours, whatever you buy, bekomme ich a commission. Es kostet nicht billiger, es kostet nicht teurer, it's just a thank you. So, I appreciate it. So that's it with housekeeping. Again, thank you all for being there. Schkoch for the super chat, schkoch for the subscribe, schkoch for the members, schkoch for the, do jeden Tag. I really do appreciate it. It means a lot. All right, Chevra. I gotta go. Until next time, stay kind to one another. Peace.